So how to fix Facebook Messenger login? First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Messenger. When you find it, just click on it like this and then click on Force Stop. After that, click on Storage, click on Clear Data and click on Delete. And that's it. Now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi, and after 5 seconds just disable it. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.